Hi everybody, Neil Kravitz here. I hope you're enjoying these daily clinical pearls. I just saw a patient who posed a great question that I thought would make a great clinical pearl. And she is currently in Invisalign. Today was a refinement appointment where she picked up her refinement aligners, her new set of aligners, and she just let us know that she just found out she's pregnant. And her question was whether there's any contraindications for her wearing Invisalign during her pregnancy. And I told her there was none if she was concerned about leaching of any byproducts. There's no research out there that shows there's any leaching of any BPAs, and there's anything to be concerned about. We have many patients who are pregnant who are wearing Invisalign during treatment. However, I've had many patients have trouble wearing aligners, especially if they're experiencing morning sickness during the first trimester, and she is. So I told her, I said, listen, just do the best you can wearing the aligners. Many patients during that first trimester have trouble wearing their aligners, and they just find that it adds to the nausea, and we just pick up the Invisalign later on when they're feeling a little bit better. Now, this is very common. Hormones have a massive effect on orthodontics. Orthodontists know all the time that when a adolescent is going through puberty, their gums get very puffy. So hormone-induced hyperplasia is the exact same as pregnancy-induced hyperplasia. The gums get very puffy, and a lot of times that does not go away until you remove the braces. So it's very common for someone who's going through hormonal changes to have a little bit of trouble during their orthodontics. So for those who are wearing Invisalign, who are in their first trimester, who are experiencing morning sickness, it's very common to have trouble wearing the aligners. And I think most orthodontists will tell you what I told my patient, which is just do the best you can, and we could always pick up the Invisalign. But this was a celebratory day. We were very happy for her. And we'll pick up the Invisalign down the road when it's a little bit easier for her. So I hope you enjoyed this pearl. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another clinical pearl.